Namaha Sarvahitaya Namaskaram Ji Namaste. Hi, my dear brothers and sisters of the world. I'm Pintu Mahakul from India, greeting you, all of you. I'm here to start my morning walk and talk today, and I hope all of you will feel this too, that I'm just proceeding ahead. At this morning, I'm just here to listen carefully the beautiful morning song of the birds. How are they chirping and singing our great and glorious songs of our God. You can entirely feel, oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, and here entirely you can feel and perceive the entire tenderness, beauty of our God created here. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, always I come and talk to you at this morning time, and always I motivate my mind and enormous beauty we can feel here. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, how birds are continuously singing. It is the most precious time of early morning. At early morning I come and talk to record the enormous beauty of our birds. How are they singing so continuously? You can feel how birds are speaking and continuously singing. So many pretty birds are here. You can see and feel. Oh my dear brothers and sisters, I'm just here, but it is not morning, has not arrived yet. Why? While morning will arrive, you can feel entirely every tenderness of the birds here. You can feel, because I love the songbirds, I come out to perceive them, to listen, to feel their enormous song. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, to enjoy the beauty of our God's creation, we need to have such tender perception at each moment. I tell you that the birds continuously sing. You can feel them entirely. Can you see the birds? Oh my dear brothers and sisters, how are they flying and continuously singing? You can feel them. I'm just entirely enjoying the birds tenderness. You can feel the bird is here. You can see and feel the birds here. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, continuously listening to the chirping sound of our birds, and enormously, so beautifully they are singing continuously here. I don't want to leave the place because I want to spend some time with them. It is my mind's joy, enormous joy, beauty from early morning we can feel entirely. It gives us a nice perception and entire natural beauty we can feel here. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, I just come out for talking to you at each moment. I wanna talk so many things. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, such tender beauty. It gives us a calm and cool perception, and coming out at early morning and talking. It is definitely a great perception in lifetime, because sun has not risen. Once the night will go away, at that time sun will rise, because I come to listen the songs of birds. Birds continuously sing glory of our God, and entirely they talk to God, communicate with God, and communicating with God, and having the perception of meditative time. We need to perceive everything here. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, continuously the dignity of our God is reign here in this in this roar, in part, everywhere we can feel and entirely we can enjoy the joy which we feel here, enormous beauty of the morning, early morning, and we need to pursue everything in our lifetime. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, I may take a turn here because I don't want to go to that side. It will be a long journey. That is why I need to take my turn here. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, you can my journey. Just I'm taking the break and coming out to go and move everywhere. I need to move here and there. Sometimes I need to go to that side, but I'm not interested right now, and interest is coming, and sometimes it is coming closer or not. You can feel entirely. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, sometimes I need to gossip with you. Sometimes I need to come here and just only with one purpose. Suppose I will not come, then I may not get the opportunity God has given to pursue at this early morning. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, time of early morning is definitely very nice. We need to come here to so many things we need to pursue in our lifetime. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, coming out and pursuing this entire beauty of our God's creation at early morning, definitely it will give a nice and tender perception of our, I think so, I'm here, you can see and feel me. I'm here entirely in this roar, walking alone. I have to walk alone and move. Here, no one is here, no one is available here, because rarely persons are walking, because it is morning, early morning talk, making and talking to you, so many things. Always I love to gossip. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, once again I've come here to listen carefully the chirping sound of birds. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, you can feel entirely the chirping sound of birds. Dogs are barking, but I'm not going to interfere them. Here, oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, a new banyan tree, and you can feel the enormous singing, continuous singing of our birds. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, birds are continuously singing glory of our God. You can entirely feel, you can entirely perceive the morning. Slowly and slowly, sun will rise. Slowly and slowly, sun will rise, and we will have a grateful and tender perception in our lifetime. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, always I'm here with you to listen the continuous shifting sound of our birds, because they are continuously singing glory of our God. Birds entirely sing, so nicely sing, so tenderly sing, always they sing, because they love the nature, they love morning, they realize the truth of our God. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, in entire tenderness, in this entire path of beauty, we can recognize our God's creation, and we can feel the tender path of our God, and entirely we can motivate our lives and mind. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, I'm here and talking so many things, my dear brothers and sisters of the world. You can entirely feel, you can recognize the path of beauty. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, for today, this month, and any other day, we can talk more and more Namaha Sarvahitaya Namaskaram. Ji Namaste. Bye. Bye-bye. Have a nice time ahead. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.